everybody, my name is Wendy Sigala with Sigala Designs, and yes, this is it. I have the Z06, Z07 style wing, and this is for the non Z06 C8 models, and today we're gonna do the install for you. Here we have a C8 with the high wing on, so we're gonna show you how to go from a 4-post to a 2-post, and also the option that we have to cover the outer holes. Okay, so now we are ready to get started, and I'm super excited to see how it looks and show all of you. So here we have Alexander. Alexander's already an expert. He knows exactly what to do. He has worked maybe in over 75 C8s? About, right? You know the car inside and out. If anybody needs any work done, we can fly Alexander anywhere, right? You'll go anywhere, right?
Yeah.
To work on the C8. Okay, so here we're gonna show you real quick how to take off the bumper, how he's doing all the work. He's already an expert, so it's not gonna take him too long. How long is it gonna take you?
To have the bumper removed, give me about 10-15 minutes.
Really?
Easy.
Oh wow. You know what? You know why I'm surprised? Because a lot of people and a lot of customers, when I talk to them, they said that the dealership is telling them, oh, it's gonna be maybe a couple hours, you know, before they take off the bumper and all that. So that's not true.
That's not true, because they don't have Alexander.
Oh, there you go. That's the reason why. Okay, so now while we're working and doing all this, we're gonna speed up the process because we obviously just want to get to the good part. Okay, so here's the whole process of taking this off. So here we have the bumper off. Now what are you gonna do?
So now you might think, okay, well, let's just take off the wing. No, you still got to take off both tail lights and the third brake light to get access to the bolts that are holding the wing.
Okay, well, no wonder the dealership wants to charge for 2 hours. So Alexander has done this, all the installs for the side skirts, the high wing. What else have you installed? The front splitters,
side skirts, high wing.
Obviously the interior, the carbon fiber one, so you took off the whole interior in the C8 and then you put it back together. So he's the expert right now.
Can you imagine doing this for the first time? I was friggin'
I wouldn't be able to do that, so
trying to figure out where each clip was, what bolt held what.
That's too much work. Okay, so now you can take off the wing?
So now we can take off the wing.
Okay. Okay, so now that Alexander took off the wing, I'm gonna hold the bumper so you can explain to them, because obviously right now the bumper looks really clean, but you tell them why.
Okay, so if you are taking off your stock spoiler for the first time, whether it's the Z51 wing or the high wing, you will have residue of double-sided tape around each of the holes where the bolt goes. Now, since we have already replaced this wing with our own high wing, we already went ahead and cleaned up the residue, and our high wing does not require for you to have double-sided tape. So now that we removed it, here you can see it's already all cleaned up and ready for the Z06 style high wing to go on.
Okay, so before the bumper goes on the car, well, obviously we have to put back the lights and all that, but oh my god, this looks amazing. Obviously this is a prototype, but right now we're not going to worry about doing the reinforcement on the bumper and all that, but I just wanted for you guys to see it, see how it looks, see how amazing it looks on a stock C8. We're getting to the good stuff, which is covering the outer holes. Okay, so here it is. I know you guys can't really see it yet until Alexander puts all the bolts and then we put the trunk down, but I am loving this. So we'll give him a couple minutes and then we come back to show you the final result.
A few moments later.
So here's the moment of truth. Okay, and Ernie just pulled up right now, and I just want to get your first impression. There he is. You tell me what you think. How does it look?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
We nailed it. Oh, wow.
We are badass. Thank you, Miguel, for being the partner in crime. Come here. This is the man behind all the... No, I'm just kidding. It's just a friend of mine.
Wait. I think... Are you sure this is not Photoshopped? Are you sure?
It's Photoshop. I'm sorry, guys.
So, once again, this is the prototype, okay? This is the prototype. But we just wanted to show you, we couldn't wait to show you how it looks on the car. And actually to show you on video because you've seen already the pictures, but I just wanted to show you guys that we can't Photoshop this. You can't Photoshop.
It is Photoshop. What are you talking about? Like, it's Photoshop.
Now, the moment that everybody's been waiting for, okay? Because we have already people that have pre-ordered their wing, and they are waiting to see what Sigala Designs is going to come out with to cover the outer holes.
Can I do it?
Here,
Can I do it?
you can do it. We told them that we're going to have the best option to cover the holes.
And it's less like less than a penny
What?
for both, yeah.
What do you mean? Okay,
Watch
show
out.
us. I can't wait. What is that? Wait, are you serious? No. Oh, it actually.
I am the one, the way your son.
It actually blends in super good.
There's your answer, guys.
Oh, this is the best for the Rapid Blue for all of you
Like,
C8 owners out there.
Like, what if you have like a black car? Then you would get electrical tape.
Oh,
If you have a yellow tape, there's yellow tape.
for the
There's
auxiliary.
red.
yellow.
If you got silver.
Wow, that was perfect. Oh my God. I can't believe how creative you are.
See?
It blends in perfect.
Right?
Okay,
Right?
there we have it.
Yeah.
So we will include, you know, about 8 inches, 9 inches of this. So you can just cut it in half, and that's it. That's it.
Wow.
That's all you need.
Amazing.
See? We don't need to do.
Wow.
We don't need to do any little wings or little. We don't need to do that. No,
Wow.
just
What do you guys
that's it.
think?
Just
Looks
look at
really good.
I don't even have to make
Flush.
a mold. You know, it's already done, like Scotch 3M.
Okay,
So.
people are gonna think you're serious. You are serious, right?
No, of course not.
Of course not. We're just playing with you guys. It's super funny. Okay, so no, that is not the option that we have for the outer holes. But you guys know Ernie, so okay. Now we're gonna come back right now with the actual option to cover the outer holes. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Everybody wants to see this. You want to show them what it is?
Yeah,
or
we'll
you
show 'em first.
Okay.
It's like these plates, okay, and they have the 3M tape in the back, double-sided tape, really thin, right? And I want to give a shout out to my boy Sergio. He's our shop manager for coming up with these. We were thinking about so many different ideas. I think this is the best one. Sergio, thank you, man. You're the man. So we painted the match.
And it sits right in place. Wow. You really have to pay attention to know that there's something there. But I think without getting too much attention to that area, that is really the way to go. I think it looks really, really nice. Let us know what you guys think. I know all of you have been waiting to see how we're gonna cover the outer holes, and there's an option right there. Okay, now we're gonna have Alexander install it so you guys can see how easy it is to put it on. It sits right in place. You just push it down and it's on there.
12 seconds later.
What are you doing?
Trying to figure out, see if it works. Put a GT500 bumper on the C8. Imagine just how many people would buy the C8 RR Shelby wide body front end on the C8. Well, here's the second option that we have for the Z06 wing. Now everybody's talking about how to cover the holes, but what if we don't cover the holes? We keep the same design, the Z06, and then we make it a 4-post, just like the high wing. So I call this the Z06, Z07 high wing. What do you guys think? Special thanks to our shop manager, Sergio. Doing an amazing job. Check this out. I think it's amazing. I kind of like it better than...
Okay, so is this an option for sure, or you're just trying to get people's feedback at this moment and see what would they like to do, a 4-post or a 2-post? We can actually give them both options, right, when they purchase.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be a hit.
You think somebody else is gonna come up with the 4-post?
Did you tell everybody else already that we're already doing everything else for the Z06?
No, I'm not there yet,
Okay.
because I wanted to show them the install first.
Okay.
So you can let them know.
We're already ahead of the game. We're already had months ahead of the game. Sometimes we don't talk about it, but this is already done. We're gonna have everything: the side skirts, the front, everything for the Z07, Z06, Z07. Eventually, you guys know we're gonna be doing the Z06 in full carbon, the whole car. So eventually, we'll have everything, guys. Everything's here, made in America. Nothing's made in China. So everything's quicker, right? Everything's quicker. We're doing it fast. There's a lot of us.
So obviously, I mean, you're here now. I already explained to everybody that this is a prototype, and
Prototype.
we were not focusing on the reinforcement that we're gonna have for the bumper.
Well, that's what we're working on now.
Yeah, so
That's the last thing. So we got, obviously this is the hardest part of it all. I think when it comes to the support and all that, I think it's gonna be, we'll be okay.
okay, there it is. So this is it for the reveal and the install of the Z06 style wing on the stock C8 Corvette. If you would like to place an order, we're gonna leave the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos coming up. Also, if you have already pre-ordered your wing, we're gonna give you an option to either do the 2-post or the 4-post. So let us know what you guys think. My name is Wendy Sigala, and we'll see you on the next one.